In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to convert video to audio on iPhones, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by navigating to your Shortcuts app. I've already created this conversion, but I'm going to do it from the beginning. So you're going to click the Add button at the top, and you're going to rename it. Since I already have conversion as a name, I'm just going to do video to audio. Now you're going to click on the information button at the bottom middle and make sure Show in Share Sheet is clicked. Once you're done that, it says Receive Any Input. You're going to click on Any and make sure that you clear it and only check Media. Once that's done, you're going to search for apps and actions and you're going to search on Encode Media. Click on this and click on the arrow next to Shortcut Input. Check Audio Only, and as you can see, it says the format is M4A, which is an audio file. You're then going to do this once again by searching for apps and actions, and just make sure you have a Save File action. You're once again going to click the arrow next to Encoded Media, and make sure that Ask Where to Save is checked. So from this shortcut, you're going to make sure you click Done, and you're going to go to the video that you want to transfer to just audio. You're going to click on it and click the Share button. And as you can see, if you scroll down, there are shortcuts, and the one that I just created is video to audio. So it prepares, and then it asks me where I want to save it. I'm just going to click on Browse and just click on iCloud Drive and save it there. So once it's saved there, you're going to just make sure that it's correct. So since my video was 6 seconds, I'm just going to make sure that the video that I just converted is also 6 seconds, and it is. That's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.